I feel like Dr. Akbari is the right fit for me because I've seen her works, and it's very important for me to look as natural as possible. And Dr. Akbari is the right fit for me because all her works are supernatural. Like, it was very hard for me to tell that these people got something done. Honestly, my number one fear was just the pain. Like, I didn't know the level of pain because I've never done this before.
Hello and welcome to Monarch MD. My name is Dr. Eli Akbari and I'm a facial plastic surgeon, and just finished a consultation with my patient about her concerns of looking tired. She has 2 children and that takes a lot of work, so sometimes we don't have time to put on makeup, and she wants to wake up feeling like she looks refreshed. The areas of concerns we've discussed is mainly around the eye, so the periorbital areas. And we've discussed with our patient that when we want to address that area, we always go to the foundation of the face for that area, which is the cheek area. So we'll be augmenting the cheeks, and then for refinement, we'll address the tear trough area. She also has never had any neuromodulators such as Botox, so we'll be softening. And for her, it's more prevention of the lines of the forehead, the glabella or the frown lines, as well as the crow's feet. So we'll prep the skin and we will do the procedure.
The experience was awesome. I honestly didn't expect it's gonna be like this. I was so relaxed and it wasn't painful at all. At least for me, it wasn't painful at all. They used numbing cream and they used ice pack and the vibrating thing. So it was very relaxing, to be honest. I feel very fresh, and because I wanted to look very natural, I wanted to stay natural, and because it was my first time, and right now I feel very fresh, and it's like I've been on a vacation for 2 weeks without my kids. If you are worried about pain or looking unnatural, you shouldn't worry about that at all, and come and see Dr. Akbari. She's an experienced surgeon and she listens to you, and she recommends you what you actually need. And to be honest, while she was doing the procedure, I was thinking to myself, why did I wait 1 year to make this decision? My recovery was great. Dr. Akbari did some Botox on my forehead and some fillers around my eye. The first night I had a little bit of headache, but no swelling or bruising, and I was pleasantly surprised. When I went home, I didn't have any concerns. I was worried that I'm gonna have like bruising and swelling, but I didn't, so it was great. The follow-up was great. The clinical nurse called me the night of the procedure, and Dr. Akbari called me the next day, and I saw her after 2 weeks, and we went over the result. We were both happy with the result, and I felt very taken care of. The biggest change I noticed in my face is my under eye. Before doing this, I always was looking tired and sleepless. I had to wear makeup to go out, but after I feel great. I don't look tired anymore, no more dark circles, and I love it. Very great feedbacks. For example, my husband, who was against this procedure, he loves it. Like, every day he tells me how younger I look and how refreshed I look. And even when I FaceTime with my sisters in Iran, they think I have filter on. I'm very happy I chose Monarch MD and Dr. Akbari. I wanted to go to someone who's an expert in treating a face, and therefore I chose Dr. Akbari, who's a facial plastic surgeon. I would highly recommend Dr. Akbari to my family and friends, and in fact 2 of my friends already went and saw her.
Welcome back to Monarch MD. My name is Dr. Eli Akbari and I'm a facial plastic surgeon. My patient and I just finished our follow-up appointment together. She came to me originally wanting to look more refreshed. As a busy mom of two, I adore what you do with your children and how hard you work for them, and it was time for her to take care of herself a little bit, right, for a change?
Yes.
So this was her first cosmetic procedure, so she had some Botox done and some filler. We focused on the forehead area for her and around the eyes. And tell me, how have you been feeling since you've had the procedures done?
I'm feeling great. I feel much younger, very refreshed, and I feel like I don't need to wear makeup every day to go out, which is great because I don't have time with two kids.
That's right. I have one and I empathize with you. I totally agree with you, Mojgan. I think when we look at your before and after pictures, the fact that you're not wearing makeup on either one of them, you can really see that your eyes are so refreshed.
Yes.
You've got beautiful eyes, high arched brows. These are things that is really difficult to achieve aesthetically, so you really make my job easy. I think you just had some loss of volume in the mid-cheek area that then made your under eyes look a little bit baggy and darker. So by just restoring a little bit in your medial cheeks and the tear trough area, everything has just opened up and you look exactly, I think, like yourself, but just like you said, more natural, more refreshed and less tired, which is always a bonus for a mom whose daughter comes to the bed every few hours, right? Oh, I can empathize with that one too. So thank you so much for trusting your face. I know it was your first time. You've been thinking about it for a while, and we really appreciate that. I love doing fresh faces, young faces, and especially moms, because I know how hard you work, and thank you again for allowing me to do that for you.
Thank you so much for the best experience, and I can't wait to get more jobs done with you.
Sounds good.